So, if you're one of these people who does spend 6 to 16 hours in front of a screen every day, but you can't stand yoga or anything spirituality related, this short practice is for you. I'll keep it without the chants, without the spirituality in general. So just a short stretch for those who consider themselves knowledge workers or people who sit a lot behind their desks. So with that being said, let's get on the mat, or you can also do this on the carpet. I don't really mind. Let's go. Keep your feet about hip wide apart, hands alongside your body. Take your hands all the way up, look into your hands, and take your hands all the way down. Really stretch your body. Take your hands up and down. All right. Once more, inhale, take your hands up. And on an exhale, take your hands down. All right. Shoulders low. Take your shoulders forward and all the way up towards your ears and roll them back and down. Let's do it a couple more times. So shoulders all the way up and down. Up and down. Now let's roll it the other way. So back and up and then forward and down. Do that a couple times. All right. Now place your right hand on your head, left hand on top of your elbow. Make a slight bend to your left. Don't forget to breathe in these movements. And come back up. All right. Left hand on your head now, right hand on your elbow. Take it over to the right, bend. You should be able to feel a good stretch on the left side of your upper body here. All right, come all the way back up, hands down. Now make some head circles in one direction. Starting to loosen the neck and also the other way around. All right, come back to the middle. Now we're getting on hands and knees. We connect the movement to the breath. On an inhale, you drop your belly and you look up. On an exhale, hunch your back, look between your knees. Now, let's go. Inhale, belly down, look up. And exhale, hunch your back, look between your knees. Connect the breath to the movement. Inhale. And exhale. We do this 2 more times. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, last time. And exhale, long exhale. All right, come back to hands and knees. Now take your right hand all the way up. And then thread your right arm under your left. And go all the way down with your head until your right cheek meets the mat or the carpet. Should be able to feel a nice little shoulder stretch right here. Take your hand all the way back up and come back down to hands and knees. All right, for the other side now. Take your left hand up and then thread your left arm under your right. Come down until your left cheek meets the floor. Right, come back up, left hand up, and it comes all the way down. All right, come back to standing. Shake your body out. And now what you can do is you have to sit back down on the mat actually. You can keep your legs in front of you and then place your right ankle just above your left knee. You can do this, and if you want to take it a step further, take your weight back a bit and place your left foot a bit closer towards your hips. So wherever you are, with the leg straight or with your leg up, try to move your upper body a little bit towards your right leg. After a day of sitting, hips are pretty tight probably. And this pose gives it a nice slight stretch. That being said, if you feel any pain, take a step back. Alright, if you have your left knee bent, straighten it out again. Take your right ankle off, and now we'll do the other side. So, left ankle just above your right knee. Either stay here, or if you want to, place your right foot a bit backwards. So bend your right knee. Again, wherever you are, start moving your upper body slightly towards your left leg. Feeling a nice stretch in your left hip. And that's it. Straighten out your leg again and let the pose go. Now we lay down on our backs and we go into a pose that's called a supine twist. You take your right leg all the way up, or your right knee, and then from here you twist your right knee all the way to the left, taking your right arm out to the side and gazing over your right hand if you want to. This supine twist creates a twist all the way throughout the body. Again, creating a nice stretch in various parts here. Alright, take your right knee all the way up. Left knee up as well. Straighten out your right leg. And now take your left knee over to the side, to the right. And gaze over your left hand. Supine twist on the other side. Okay, come back up. Take your knees all the way up to your chest. Head towards your knees. And let it go. Now we come to a seated pose. You can either cross your legs in front of you or just straighten out your legs, it doesn't really matter. If you got your legs crossed, thumbs and pointers together, underarms on your knees, take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale out the mouth. We do a quick reset breath. 4 seconds in, then we hold for 2 seconds at the top and then for 6 seconds out. So start by exhaling here. Then inhale, 2, 3, 4, pause, 1, 2, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, pause, 2, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, pause, 2, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time, inhale, 2, 3, 4, pause, 2, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get back to natural breathing. And that's it. Now you can continue with the rest of your day, and if you're keen to do a bit more intense stretching, feel free to look around on the channel page. Please subscribe to the channel and I hope to see you again on the mat soon. Cheers!